Mack Trucks was founded in 1900 by Jack and Gus Mack in Brooklyn, New York, and was originally known as the Mack Brothers Company. Today, Mack Trucks continue to stand for quality and durability and has a large manufacturing footprint here in Macungie, Pennsylvania.
My name is Luis Santiago and I am a trainer.
My name is Trevor Weber. I'm a people and culture partner and I've been here about a year and a half.
My name is Josephine Higby, currently holding as a lead project manager.
My name is Efrain Raimundo. I'm a production supervisor.
My name is Greg Weslowich. My position here is embedded software trainer.
Mack Truck uses specialized materials like galvanized steel to ensure that all users enjoy their drive.
As a project manager, I collaborate with my team, making sure that they understand the project deliverables that we have.
Mack Truck makes sure to hire skilled workers to ensure the safety of all drivers.
We deal with personnel problems, whether it be between two employees, an employee and a manager, or two people who are both in leadership. Our job can change on a daily basis and it's never boring.
At Mack Truck, engineers must collaborate with each other to ensure efficiency in the workplace.
We have to work together because what the engineers design affects what the production line does. I make sure that all the technicians are able to perform the job in a safely manner at all times.
At Mack Truck, engineers have to devise new strategies to improve the efficiency of the line.
The truck will start its day out just as two pieces of metal. And by the end of the day, it goes through all these different hands, hundreds, thousands of people it takes for it to go to the end of the line, put the key in, and drive itself off. We do internal audits of our product to make sure everything is good, everything's clean, and we're supplying our customers with the best product.
At Mack Trucks, employees fix technical difficulties while maintaining safety on the busy assembly line.
The coolest thing about manufacturing is that it doesn't take one person to make a product.
We build the truck from raw material to a finished product.
In manufacturing, there's so many things that you can do.
What you want in life is exactly that. If you want it, you can make it happen.
What's so cool about manufacturing is to be able to build a product that's going to serve the community.
Mack Truck is built with ruggedness in mind with all American parts.
Working at Mack Trucks is working for the American icon.